slipped on the oil.
Switched on. I'm sorry I didn't believe you about what Dunbar said. You were paying attention, but I wasn't.
Makes a difference, huh?
Yeah.
Come on, Breaking Brewster. Let's get this stone safely home.